can take it to court. Surrender yourself. You look stupid in front of the people of Orbe. No. You're going to talk. Submission the Peter Rosima. Hey. Issue the now money. Issue the now money. That's why Mr. Manasseh Laina come down here. Hey, they told me. Manasseh Laina Rossi submission. You don't do that. Fucking don't do that. I'm a deliverer. I'm transparent. My people in Morbe are behind me, not after you fucking corrupt people. Manasseh, we probably never talk here. Fit servants, they deliver. Meeting go, walking over something go. Don't divert. Don't divert. Get me? Don't divert. These guys are going for the presidency. I can ask governor to give me deputy premier tomorrow. For governors. You are answerable to my people at Najaf and to the people of Morbe. You KK money want to make a group leader. Okay, what is something? And you stop me from my very humble, submission, proactive, everything in there, and you say, let me cross it, Pastor. You admit defeat, get out of the project, and let's sign governor's face. You can't sign governor's face. You guys are rainbow fighters, bloody fucking Ronnies. I'm through. Rainbow, you play Google, you play La Putin Governor tomorrow. No! Big Brother Governor Wenge Salabia. That's the last week we talk on the Lipa. Was to over a man, KK man. I'm sorry, my brother, I'm telling you. Let my submission go. Let my submission go. Let my submission go. Arima. When I say Laina, let my submission go. This is people's submission. There's transparency. You want them not to call us.